Good morning all. This is the special video session for the syllabus reduction of class 12 biology. The CBSE, the Central Board of Secondary Education, has reduced up to 30% of the syllabus for the academic year 2020 to 2021, and the main aim is to reduce the load for the students in the wake of the pandemic coronavirus crisis. So according to the updated curriculum, the chapters deleted from the class 12 biology is as follows. So we are having 5 units chapter. Among these 5 units we are having 16 chapters. So within the 16 chapters they have deleted 5 chapters completely. So totally you are going to read only the 11 chapters. So these red color indications are the deleted chapters. I will read it, you go through it and mark it in your book or write it in your notebook. So unit 6, take unit 6. So in unit 6 chapter 1, that is in unit 6 reproduction is the unit name. So in that reproduction unit we are having a chapter 1, reproduction in organism. Okay, reproduction in organisms deleted. And unit 7, genetics and evolution, chapter 7, evolution, deleted portion. Unit 8, biology in human welfare. So in that unit 8, chapter 9, strategies for enhancement in food production, deleted completely. Unit 10, ecology, we are having 2 deleted chapters in unit 10. One is chapter 14, listen carefully, chapter 14, ecosystem, and another one is chapter 16, environmental issues. Okay, these are all the deleted chapters. So remaining chapters, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, no change at all. 15, no change at all. You have to read it line by line. Okay, these 5 chapters are the deleted one. Okay, once again, this is the copy from the CBSE website. So read it. I will read it once again. You note it carefully. So under unit 6 reproduction, chapter 1 deleted. Under unit 7 genetics and evolution, chapter 7 evolution completely deleted. Under unit 8 biology and human welfare, chapter 9 strategies for enhancement in food production completely deleted. Under unit 10 ecology and environment, 2 chapters, chapter 14 and chapter 16, ecosystem and environmental issues completely deleted. So they have deleted all the theory parts. Most of the theory parts are deleted. Only easy chapters and important chapters are there. So you can easily score a nice marks if you read the book line by line. Only the level. Coming to the weightage of the mark, unit 6 carries 14, unit 7 18, unit 8 14, unit 9 12, unit 10 12. So marks per chapter, because one chapter was deleted from each unit except unit 9. So the marks are dividing according to that. So marks per chapter in unit 1, unit 6 is 4.6. So unit 7 you are having 2 chapters only. So 9 per chapter. Unit 8 also 2 chapters. So 7 per chapter. Unit 9 2 chapters, 6 per chapter. Unit 10 also you will be having 2 chapters. So 6 marks per chapter. So the weightage of the marks in chapters getting increasing. So we have to read the book thoroughly. So all the best for your examination. So study well. Thank you.